basic service of a CRF110. Now let's change the oil. We need 1 litre of oil down this tube. Dip it in, and the back has to be straight. And you see it has to be between this line and this line. One done. Now I'm going to take out this screw and this screw. Now I have to take this one out. It's out. It's out.
Push it from underneath.
Okay. Come here. We need to take off the air filter cover. Now let's take it off. Oh, it's so sticky. Now you have to put your gloves on, because this is gonna get messy. Okay, now we're gonna take the air filter out and put it in this bucket. So it'll stick the strings. Put air filter in there. Now I'm going to clean it. Wash it out. I'll put oil in here. That much? Now we're gonna have to push oil on it. You got the air filter? No. We need to put the air filter on. Then we put in the air filter cover. We need to get a screwdriver and screw it up. Let's do it again just in case. Okay. This clip goes on here and it just goes clip. And you take this screw, put it in this hole, and you take the other one, you put in the other one here. Okay? So use this tool put that on there. I need to put this bit in, and then I press it down, and it's in. To put this clip in here, clip that in here, and that's I need 2 screws that my assistant is handing me. This one goes in here. And this one goes in here. And my assistant's going to turn the wheel and we're going to oil the train.